1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. This is $5,000, and this is how much YouTube paid me for 1 million views in my faceless YouTube channel. You can be able to make this money at the comfort of your home. People has been asking me how much is 1 million views on YouTube, and this is it. And this is coming from my faceless channel, not even on this particular channel that I'm showing my face. For you guys to understand what you can do without showing your face on camera, without talking on camera, and you can be able to make a lot of money. And anybody can do this. You can utilize an artificial intelligence, because that's what I'm using. I'm using AI to make these videos, posting it on my faceless channel, and making all this money in a month. Now, 1 million views can differ from channel to channel. It depends on your niche. Now, there is some people that can make $10,000 with 1 million views on their YouTube channel, depending on the niche. For example, if you are running a real estate channel, if you're running a channel where you're talking about money, like financial advice and all that stuff, it can make you double of this money with 1 million views. Now, it depends on the niche you are running. Now, the niche I'm running on my own faceless YouTube channel is an entertainment niche, and you all know that the niche is oversaturated and all that stuff. So you really know how much you are making per 1,000 views. It's not that much. Now, I have been able to see like $30 in some of the videos I'm making per 1,000 views, and stuff has been going well. But trust me, you can do it. Now, using AI is what I'm doing, and I'm able to start teaching people how to use AI to make a lot of money in their YouTube channel and be able to monetize their YouTube channel. So if this is what you are really interested in doing, make sure you go in the comment section and tell me that you want to learn. Ask me to teach you, and I'm going to send you the blueprint. All you have to do is to send me an email. My email will be in the description of this video, and I'm going to send you the whole footprint, what to do and how to do it. Now, you can be at your job and you can be making extra money, right? This is really important. You can be at your job and you can be making extra money. If you're at your job and you take some time off, maybe your break time and all that stuff, and make some videos that wouldn't take you 30 minutes to make these videos and post it in your channel, and you are able to make this money, you can be able to pay your rent. That's how much AI can help you to make a lot of money on YouTube. Now, getting 1 million views in your YouTube videos is really not easy. Trust me, I'm going to tell you that. You can see some people, they might end up getting 1 million views in a whole year. So it's not really easy to get 1 million views in your YouTube channel in a month. You really need to put in the work. You really need to give it time for you to get to this stage. So here it is. I'm able to make $5,000 from 1 million views in my faceless YouTube channel, and this is what it looks like. I hope you like it. Yeah, so that looks good. That's a lot of money. So if you still want me to help you out with reuse content, with demonetization, and your channel getting terminated, I'm still doing that. I can be able to review your channel. Go check up my old videos, my community posts. You can see people talking about that, how I have been able to help them out to overcome all these issues in their YouTube channel. Because one thing is to make this money on YouTube, and another thing is to know what to do when you start facing challenges in your YouTube channel. So make sure you go hit me up via my email or hit me up on Instagram, and I will be able to help you out. Catch you guys in the next video.